Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of attain. Succeed in achieving something that one desires and has worked for. For example, clarify your objectives and ways of attaining them. American pronunciation. Attain. Attain. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Attain. Say. Attain. Attain means succeed in achieving. Attain. Attain. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He attained the rank of sergeant in a tank corps. Now, repeat after me. He attained the rank of sergeant in a tank corps. The second practice. Wasn't his perception of happiness and how to attain it desperately marred? Now, repeat after me. Wasn't his perception of happiness and how to attain it desperately marred?
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.